Something cool and refreshing to beat the heat wave is definitely needed this summer. So I'm going to show you how you can use fresh mint and lemon to beat this summer heat. And now mint has a really good properties, like it has a natural mouth freshener, as well as it aids digestion. If you have any problems with digestion or bloating, it will cure and it will make your stomach clean. And we want to use these fresh mint leaves, not the stems. So here I have picked all the leaves, and I'm going to measure about 1 cup of mint leaves. So the best place to find these is 99-cent store. That's where I always buy them, and I couldn't find it at Walmart or anywhere, but you can find it there. The next thing you will need is a lemon or lime. I'm going to squeeze about a half cup of lime juice or lemon juice. I'm using combination of both so that I get a little sweet flavor of the lemon. Now in a blending jar, I'm going to take few ice cubes and going to add my washed mint leaves. And the reason why we are adding ice is to preserve that green color. Blend this, I'm using this Secura coffee grinder. This is good for wet and dry grinding. So link in the description box below. And as you can see, it still have fresh color. So our mint puree is ready. Now keep it aside. Now in a saucepan, add 1.5 cups of sugar. You can use organic sugar or regular sugar, and add 1 cup of water. Now we are going to mix until everything dissolves, and we are going to bring this to boil. When it comes to boil, lower the heat, and we are going to add the mint puree that we prepared. So this is a really nice minty lemonade we are going to make. So bring it to boil again and keep boiling until it's a sticky consistency, like when you pinch between your fingers, it should have half string consistency. Now at that point, turn off the flame, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of black salt, half a teaspoon of salt, and then mix it really well. The black salt really gives that refreshing taste. Now I'm going to strain the mixer so that the any mint residue, we don't want it in our syrup. So the syrup is nicely strained and smooth. You can see it's a little bit thickened. Now let it completely cool. Now once it's completely cooled, add half a cup of lime or lemon juice. Do not add when it's hot, okay? So now we are going to add a drop of a food color. I'm using green food color. It's completely optional. If you don't want it, don't add it. And then stir it, and then we are going to use a glass bottle to store this. And you can store this for up to 6 to 8 months in a refrigerator, and always use a glass jar, so that if you use plastic, then sometimes it kind of gives that smell after a few weeks. So I recommend the glass jar. So now to make the refreshing lemonade, I'm going to put some ice cubes in a glass and pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of this syrup and ice chilled water, or you can use a club soda if you like fizzy drink. Stir it and enjoy. And this is the perfect way to enjoy and relax in summer. Beat that summer heat. It's still very hot here. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can watch the links on the screen to watch more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.